Okay. I'm Yolande from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here today with Thomas Eichstädt-Engelen. Thomas, hi.
Hi.
So tell us a little bit what you do for living.
What I do for a living?
Yeah.
I'm a senior consultant in normal life. I'm a senior consultant in a small or medium-based software consulting company, and yes, that's my normal day job. And there's a second heart in my body, and the second heart is home automation. And in the home automation area, I'm very addicted to a project called openHAB, Open Home Automation Bus. And yeah, that's what I'm doing in my spare time, developing things, automating things at home. If not everything is automated, then yeah, I'm not convinced. So it's quite a hard job to do all that.
And you receive a Duke Choice Award for this year for the project
as well?
openHAB
receives the award at least, and it is very much deserved to the whole community of openHAB. So we have, sorry?
Who else was on the project with you?
There's Kai Kreuzer, who founded the project in early 2010. And currently we have around 20 active contributors to the project. We recently switched our project from Google Code to GitHub, so we know very well who is active and who contributes to the project. And that's around 20 contributors and around 70 forks we have on the project. So it's quite active, quite vibrant, and we are very happy about that. And that's the reason why we received the award, I think, or why the project received the award.
So the project, so explain a little bit, what does it do? Or, I mean, is it a platform? What did you create?
Yeah. The whole problem in home automation area is there are many different systems out there, and all of the systems speak different protocols. And since there's no global protocol that all of the devices speak, we had to create a platform which leverages all the protocols. And openHAB is an integration platform which connects to all the different devices and builds services on top of that devices so that home automation is possible again. Before that, you had no chance because all of that devices have their own silo. And with this integration platform, we build services on top of that, and we make possible to switch things that are not connected before, were not connected before.
Okay, so when you talk about devices, what kind of devices are we talking about? Is it the fridge? I mean, so...
Probably yes. There are fridges with Ethernet connection. We have professional home automation buses, for example. KNX, it's very... innoQ bus is very popular in Belgium. Then we have devices like the Philips Hue, for example, and a device like a Tesla Model S, which is a car, a V car. And all of these devices does normally have no connection to each other. And so we can make them speak to each other, and we can then operate on top of them and automate that.
So how did you build it? I mean, which language did you use?
We use Java, and on top of Java we use OSGi as in order to modularize our software better, because there's no Java language feature which supports modularization. But anyhow, yes, we use OSGi, and that's the technology stack. And Java as a foundation, on OSGi on top, and many of the Eclipse projects that are out there.
So where can people find more information about this project?
We have a website, openhab.org, which is, we started with a new landing page, a bit more fancy landing page than before. After that, most of the information is based on the wiki, and most of our contributors write that wiki. And so it's, it's a... the complex, or the wiki itself is quite well written, but it's not that complete as it could be. So it's an open source project, and we do our best to have that description as good as possible. But,
excellent. Thank you so much for talking to us today.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.